Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change aspect ratio on DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And to do this, we'll need to swipe up our finger from the bottom of the screen, and then on top there's aspect ratio, and you can switch between different options. But before that, let me show you different modes, because for example in the photo we have two different aspect ratios, but when we enter panorama there's entirely different and the aspect ratio is actually not even available there, so we can go for the video instead, and here aspect ratio that is available is only 16:9. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.